So that is the first view of Dhankar Monastery. The weather is cool. The bike is showing 15 degrees, but I would say it's 13 degrees. So that is Dhankar Monastery. So welcome to the Dhankar Monastery. You can bring your bikes all the way to the monastery. So we are in Dhankar Monastery. I don't know if we can really record this. कितना पुराना है?
मोनेस्ट्री तो 1100 साल पुराने ना।
1100 साल पुराना।
हाँ, 1100 साल पुराने।
We are in Dhankar Monastery. Dhankar Monastery is famous for the previous Dalai Lama who was here. He used to reside here. So we are here eating our lunch. Banduri Hotel and Restaurant. I took some noodles and rice and samosa, sharing it between us. Tastes good. Both the things taste good. I can fly drone on my own risk. So I have just put the drone to charge. And hopefully I can get some cool videos. It's also raining a bit. The roads were really good. Partial off-road. If you just see over there, so that is the fresh snow. साल का पहला snow है कि क्या है?
स्नो है।
क्या बात है? आपका होटल के बारे में थोड़ा बता दो. इधर लोग आएगा तो क्या खा सकते हो, क्या नहीं?
यहाँ पे इंडियन, चाइनीज, इजरायली फूड।
इसराइली भी मिलेगा?
हाँ जी, इजरायली भी मिलेगा।
हाँ हाँ।
बाकी स्टे का है, स्टे कर सकते हो।
इधर स्टे कर सकते? पर हेड कितना लोगे?
पर हेड?
हाँ।
स्टे का सर सीजन टाइम बोलूँ मैं तो।
ये तो ऑफ सीजन है ना?
ऑफ सीजन में ना इस टाइम चल पड़ता है सर 1200-1400 रुपये MAP।
अच्छा।
बट सीजन टाइम में थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव रहता है 2500-2800 रुपये MAP। हाँ जी।
आपका खाना बहुत बढ़िया था।
थैंक यू जी।
और ये क्या बताया आपने?
ये एप्पल जूस सर।
एप्पल जूस है?
हाँ, फ्रेश एप्पल है और जूस भी फ्रेश है।
बढ़िया है। ज़्यादा पानी है। I dropped it. रुको रुको रुको, वो स्टैंड ना गिर लगा है. थैंक्स. नहीं लगा, मेरे को बैलेंस नहीं था इसलिए छोड़ दिया. चलो बढ़िया, थैंक यू. You know, I rode across all those tough terrains without even touching my leg down, and here while reversing the bike I left it off. The reason why I left it off was I slipped on a stone, so I had no grip. I would have hurt my leg, so I just left it off. But anyways, there has been no damage to the bike, which is a very good thing. That is what is more important. All good. भैया ये काजा के लिए जाता है ना? I knew I would not able to hold it with one leg, so I just left it off. But anyways, all good. Nothing happened to me or the bike. On the way to Kaza now, with the worst road like this. पता नहीं ये लोग कहाँ हैं. Have no clue. Zero clue. Can't see them anywhere. So things are really not going good. My bike is stuck there and I'm helpless. No one's on this road. अरे सॉरी 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 एक दो तीन नहीं लगा थैंक्स. So what really happened was I asked uncle if it goes to Kaza. I thought Samarthan group has gone up because there was a boat to Kaza. So I just went up. I was a bit stupid enough to go 2 more deep in it. I should have stopped it by the second it got stuck, but I gave more accelerate and it got stuck like hell. So after that went down again, called a JCB to help me out. So the JCB guy helped me a lot. The fear what I had was, what if I fall from the cliff? Because it was on a very edge and it could break anytime. So I had to turn the whole bike, which was really difficult. There is a saying, everything happens for a good. So I hope that was the thing. And yeah, off to Kaza. Look at the mountains with the golden color of sunset. Kids are playing cricket over here. Oh, nice. Look at these rocks. All this plateau was under sea billion of years ago. I don't think you can see the water clearly, but the water is so blue. This is all fresh water. We could have gone to Pin Valley. This is Pin Valley. The roads are so beautiful now. Everyone's gone. I'm just 10 kilometers far from Kaza. We'll head to Kaza. I'll show you the bike condition. The bike was half into the gravel. Welcome to Spiti. Officially we are in Kaza. My life was hell.
Before you leave and you come this way, you plodded up the hill. I was waiting for you.
No, I was rescued by a JCB.
I was waiting for you to
My whole bike got stuck.
stop what?
Yeah.
In mud.
Yeah. He didn't pull me out. He cleared the road for me. But a guy helped me.
You know what? You went the wrong way to start off with. Why did you go that hill?
I thought you guys went up. There was the road. The
You said don't go up. I said, do you want me to go down the same way? You said yes, go down the same way.
and I went the wrong way.
Is it?
Oh, it is, yeah.
Oh, he's got it on now. So you were helped with a digger
Yeah,
or a JCB.
yeah, technically.
So now your new nickname is Vin Diesel.
So we are done for the day. This is Julian's bike. This is Brent's bike. Julian's bike is more dirtier than any of us. So my bike was actually stuck in mud, but it is not that dirty. Luckily nothing has happened to the bike. Everything is good. But look at this. Even Samarth's bike is so dirty. My bike is not dirty. These guys used to ride in the waters like hell, which I didn't do. But anyways, it was a very good day and we are done with the day. Tomorrow we'll be exploring Kaza. See you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, good night.